29th. I mean 29th. March 27th, 2026. I don't know where this stuff comes from. It is what, 12 something, 12:30 or whatever. Mid 70s going to mid 80s, I think. We're at the CamelBack Bridge here at US 123, which is over here. This used to be 123, but it was originally a railroad trestle and was adapted to car traffic. I think the girl said 1940, and then in the 60s, when they dammed up Lake Hartwell here, they built a new bridge over there. They took out the center section here, made that just a pedestrian bridge, and took this center section and put it over the Chaga River in South Carolina, which we do have video of that as well. We're going to try to get about 5-minute videos and see if we can get them uploaded in 8K. I tell you what, 8K just is a data hog. It takes forever to process. The uploads aren't too bad, but the processing takes forever. How about some rust? Old rivets. She said this is the Tougaloo River. South is to our right, north is to our left, and I think the Tougaloo River is formed by the whatever that river was that Deliverance was filmed in, and another one, maybe Tougaloo, and they come together in Tougaloo and then come down and form Lake Hartwell. A lot of people fishing. Stretch this thing out and lean it over. Watch my hat will blow off. I think they have picnic tables on the other side over there, but they've got picnic tables right over here. There's some clearing going on up there. I don't know what they're doing, but there's a patch of dirt cleared up there. A little bench to rest on, fish off of over there. Well, don't even say hi. Hello. He's not talking much today. Okay, what we got going on? How long is this? 4:25. Let's try to get 5 minutes and see if we can get it processed and uploaded to 8K. It's just so labor intensive for the computer. Awfully nice day, a little windy, but really nice day. Okay, we're going to wrap this up, and this will end this one. We'll at least be able to get it up on 5K. I don't know if we'll be able to get it up on 8K or not, but we'll try to.